You never know what you're going to get at the thrift store. So we got a jigsaw puzzle, and it had a lot of interesting pattern to it. So we thought, oh, this is a great idea. Let's just get this one. It has a lot of parts, 1,000. The last one we did was 500. But we're just observing that a lot of the colors do not look like anything on the jigsaw puzzle, which is interesting. And then we look and we see that it's not a jigsaw puzzle, it's a WASGIJ puzzle, Destiny puzzle. It's made in Holland, and it's wasgij.com, but I've been told that I'm not allowed to go look at wasgij.com. We're going to try to do it. It says puzzle the future. And here's the hint. Don't puzzle what you see, puzzle the future. It's a fast food frenzy. And let's see what it says here. Warning. Please keep this packaging for future reference. Designed in the Netherlands, made in the Netherlands. Jumbo quality, wide variety of sizes, shapes, and piece counts. Environmentally friendly recycled cardboard and paper. Each piece has a unique fit and shape. Seamless touch. A master's eye. Craftsmanship counts. We wish you hours of puzzle fun. Your puzzle master. I don't know what his name is. Cool. There is such a thing as a puzzle master. Fast food frenzy. Destiny puzzle. Also try others. There's like 6 of them. And on the back of this, I apologize for my sniffling. The back of the box. Porta puzzle. Sounds a little bit too much like porta potty. Okay, hint 1, fast food frenzy. It is 1958, and this branch of an iconic British restaurant chain is busy with families, couples, and groups of friends. Customers come in for the fast service and delicious cakes. The restaurants are famous for their Art Deco interiors and uniformed staff. But where would you go today for the convenient food for the whole family? Hint number 2. Imagine how this restaurant chain might look today. Which chains are now iconic in Britain, and where can you find fast service? Will you still find the white tablecloths and uniformed staff serving you a slice of cake? Will the courting couple, I apologize for my sniffling, will the courting couple still have time to sit down and enjoy a cup of tea? This is the scene you have to puzzle. Hint number 3 is the image. I have to look and see if it looks exactly like the one on the front. And hint number 4, lift the lid to see hint 4. Dang it! Lift the lid to see hint 4. But hint 4 is not included. Oh boy. Alright, let's see. Is this exactly the same? Yeah, it looks like the back and the front are the same. Sorry, I have allergies. We're in the mountains. I think I got one thing. I think that don't puzzle what you see, puzzle the future. So here she is as a young lady, and here she is as an older lady. So that's one thing. Cool. Rightio, here it is. Who would have thought that this puzzle was the result of this puzzle? There's not too much that's alike. The only thing that's really alike is this one gal. And she got a lot older. Her fiance also got older. And I don't know that any of the other people in the restaurant are the same. Although this area here has a similar look. But beyond that, not too much else. Go figure. Oh, so the waitress here, the server here, Mr. Gob Burger Bar.